When using DataLink, you have the option of changing some of the default preferences for the software. In this tutorial, we will cover understanding and changing your startup settings. With DataLink open, navigate to the File menu. Scroll down to select DataLink Preferences. A new window will open that has multiple tabs. Select the Startup tab at the top. The first options that can be set are in the Start Mode section. Changing the Start Mode option controls the mode that the scanner results window is in when DataLink starts. DataLink has two modes, Test Scoring Mode and Data Collection Mode. The default setting is Test Scoring Mode. Test Scoring Mode is the most commonly used mode for scanning because it allows you to score answer sheets against a key. You may have occasion to use DataLink in the Data Collection Mode. In Data Collection Mode, DataLink is simply displaying the results of the responses chosen on an answer sheet or survey, and does not score responses against a key. In Data Collection Mode, no key is necessary. Data Collection Mode is used most often for collecting data from surveys and ballots. Selecting the Data Collection option will change your default settings so that DataLink will start in Data Collection Mode. By making Choose Your Default Settings, DataLink will start without displaying the scanner results window. You will then need to select to either open the scanner results grid, key editor, or student database by selecting the appropriate icon. The next section that can be changed is entitled When Launched from a Saved Data APX3 file. This option determines how DataLink responds when being launched by double-clicking a saved DataLink file. By selecting Show the Data in the Scanner Results window, the file will be loaded and the Scanner Results window is shown. If you select Show the Reports window, the file will be loaded and the Reports window will be shown. Finally, if you select Prompt for an Action, you will be asked to choose your option when the file is loaded. The default choice is to load the saved data into the Scanner Results window. If you don't want to change that, no action will be needed. The final selection that can be changed in the Startup tab is When Launched from a Key APKY file. This option determines how DataLink will respond when launched by double-clicking a saved APKY key file. By selecting Send the Key to the Scanner and Show the Scanner Results window, the key file will be sent to the scanner and the Scanner Results window will be shown. By selecting Display the Key in the Key Editor window, the key will be loaded into the Key Editor for editing. If you select to Prompt for an Action, you will be asked to choose how the key should load into DataLink. The default choice is to send the key to the scanner and to show the scanner results window. If you don't want to change that, no action is needed. Once you have made the desired changes, click on OK to save them and close out the DataLink Preferences window. If you have additional questions on how to set up your DataLink startup preferences, please contact a member of our technical support team at 800-827-9219.